Now, along with your guardrails, which are how to stay on track, we also need the baseline maintenance plan, which is how to actually enjoy what you're doing and actually keep it sustainable. So what we need to do is figure out what are those habits that satisfy the guardrail requirements, but also you enjoy them. So that could be the different meals that you know you like. It could be making sure that you have enough recipes that you're not running out of things. It could be making sure that you've got enough support that you're able to prep food each week, or you set a really good routine with a podcast or a TV show you love that you do while you do your cardio. Whatever it is, it's figuring out what are those baseline maintenance habits that you actually enjoy, what are the things that make you feel amazing, tying into those pain and pleasure principle that we've talked about before, where you know, if I work out, my energy is better, I perform better at work, I have a better mood, I'm a better parent, I'm a better spouse, whatever it is. Finding those things that actually create more happiness in your life that also satisfy your guardrail requirements, and creating the combination of those two so that we've got that perfect ideal world balance of both components. So I have one piece of pizza, I feel great, I maintain my weight. I have 3 pieces of pizza or 5 pieces of pizza, I feel bloated, I feel gassy, I feel disgusting, I feel like I'm off track because I went way overboard beyond what my standard of what I should do is. Figuring out what those things are and getting practice at staying disciplined with whatever those rules are for yourself. Again, it's not about making yourself restricted, it's about that pain and pleasure association, about figuring out what is what I actually enjoy. If you have 5 pieces of pizza and you feel like garbage, you're not going to enjoy that. So that's not something that should be part of your baseline maintenance plan. If you have 1 piece of pizza or 2 pieces and you're at a party with friends and you really enjoy that, awesome. That's a great part of your plan, and just make sure that we've satisfied those guardrail requirements, whether it's keeping it within the calorie limit, whether it's just knowing that you have those 2 pieces and you've pre-calculated ahead of time that 2 pieces of pizza easily fits in, which it will for virtually everybody, as long as it's in that overall protocol that you've got for your day. So you're not eating those 2 pieces of pizza on top of a regular meal. It's replacing your dinner on Fridays because that's what you want to do with family to enjoy, or that's what you want to do with friends to enjoy. It's figuring out what are those things that you can do, both baseline maintenance that you enjoy and also satisfy those guardrail requirements. All right, give it a shot and send it over to us. We want to see those plans because we can help you verify whether it's going to be effective and ask you some questions to make sure that it's actually satisfying you and that it's actually going to be sustainable. We've done a ton of these plans. We've been living it ourselves, all of us coaches, for years. And so we can give you that guidance and those extra set of eyes to make sure that it's actually going to be effective so that you stick with it long term. Because again, that's the whole point of this thing. It's not just make progress, but also sustain that progress over the long term. Find those things that you really enjoy that also keep you on track and keep you in shape.